I think I found the perfect minimalist keycap set for the new NUPHY AIR75 V2. As you can tell, it's as if it was made specifically for my desk setup. I'm talking about the XVX Skyline R2 low-profile PBT double-shot keycaps. What I have here is the Normcore shine-through variant that consists of white, retro gray, and black colorways. But this is also available in different colors. I'll put some links below if you're interested. These keycaps are made out of durable PBT plastic with double-shot material for the legends, essentially making it permanent, and with the PBT plastic, the texture can last for a very long time. And it's super affordable at only around 1,900 Philippine pesos. Now, before I get ahead of myself, let's get into it. As always, honest disclaimer, this video is not sponsored or paid. In fact, I paid this in full and I ordered this directly from the XVX website to get the full experience. Now, if you're wondering, unfortunately, I got a little bit busy in the past few weeks, which is why my review of the NUPHY AIR75 V2 got pushed, but rest assured that it's coming up next after this. Like I said earlier, I think this is the perfect set of keycaps for a minimalist NUPHY AIR75 V2. Thanks to its neutral colors and the layout and keys fully support the layout of the NUPHY AIR75. To be honest, it's kinda hard to find a good set of low-profile keycaps that is compatible with the NUPHY Air series other than what NUPHY has to offer, so I'm delighted that I found this. Don't get me wrong guys, NUPHY's own themed keycaps are high-quality sets, including the stock keycaps. I was just looking for a more minimalist and neutral colors, so yeah. The packaging is nothing spectacular. In fact, it's what you should expect from a budget set, with just a simple black box and the keycaps nicely intact inside a plastic tray. Though we have a plastic keycap puller here, I still recommend a wire keycap puller instead. Here's the keycap set, pretty straightforward. On the left side, we have a typical ANSI layout set. The colored sets, like what we have here, consist of a total of 144 keys, while the two-toned only consist of a total of 129 keys. These are compatible with Cherry MX style switches. Do note that there are low-profile keyboards that use a different type of switch from Kale and other brands. As for the keycaps itself, again it is made out of durable PBT plastic with double-shot material for the legend. And at first touch, it's pretty similar or at least close to how the stock keycaps of NUPHY look, especially when it comes to shape. I'd say it's a tad thicker, and the legend is at the top center, which makes sense since this keycap is shine-through and the LEDs on the NUPHY AIR75 are north-facing. The thickness of the XVX keycap is around 1.2 to 1.3 mm, while the NUPHY stock keycap is around 1.2 to 1.4 mm. In terms of height, the NUPHY stock keycap is around 4.5 mm, while the XVX keycap is around 4.6 mm. This is how the spacebar of the shine-through XVX keycap looks, and this is the NUPHY stock spacebar. Another thing worth noting here is the difference in terms of their gray tone. The XVX keycap has a warmer tint to it, sort of a retro vibe, while the NUPHY keycap has a colder tint, which honestly I prefer more. So if you like the gray color of the NUPHY keycap, just take that into consideration. We also have a bunch of different sizes of modifiers here, making it compatible with other compact layouts as well, not just limited to 75% layout, especially with the numpad keys and full nav cluster keys. Alright, with that out of the way, let me show you how I install these keycaps on the NUPHY AIR75 before I share with you a quick sound test. And there you have it. I didn't encounter a single issue when it came to the installation. Everything fits perfectly as it should. As you can tell, it's super neat and clean. I just wish the gray tone matched the NUPHY's, but other than that, it's absolutely perfect. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Although it's 1mm thicker than the NUPHY keycaps, it's virtually negligible as you can see here. Now just for additional information, here's how it looks compared to the NUPHY Air60 V1. And yes, of course, the XVX keycap set is also compatible with this. And for good measure, since I have two NUPHY AIR75 V2 here, here's a quick side-by-side comparison. Again, the XVX keycap's overall tone is warmer than the NUPHY's, even on the white alphanumeric keys. Okay, so here's a quick sound test for you guys. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, this video is not sponsored or paid as I ordered this myself from XVX website. I'll put some links below so that you can check it out, as well as a link where you can get the new NUPHY AIR75 V2, and consider subscribing if you're interested for my review of the NUPHY AIR75 V2 coming up next. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys. You're awesome.